Hello, Math Humans. We're going to do 1.2 today. We're going to be doing more of our introduction into statistics and all of its vocabulary. Our objectives are that we're going to do the same basic activity as the vocabulary grid for section 1, plus this time you're going to answer a couple of curiosity questions. So I'm going to give you today you have 7 words, so I'm going to give you your vocabulary bank. And then you are going to fill out the grid for each of the 7 words. Remember that in the vocabulary grid, the quadrant over here is going to be the word. This quadrant is going to be the definition. This quadrant are going to be 3 examples. And the last one is what the word is not. So sometimes not is a counter example or an example of what the word is not. So for your words today, we're going to do census. The second word is going to be simple, random, sample. Your third word today is going to be stratified sampling. The fourth word is going to be systematic sampling. The fifth word is going to be cluster sampling. Didn't know there were so many different ways you could do samples. Number 6 is going to be convenience sampling. And then the last one is, can't see it, let me scoot my paper up, bias. So you're going to create a vocabulary grid for each of the 7 words, okay? And then when you're done, you're going to answer what I'm calling some curiosity questions. So here are your curiosity questions. So the first one is, how often is the U.S. Census given? So I apologize for scribbling, but this would be census, okay? And it actually just happened. 2020, I think, was the most recent census that was taken. So the question is, how often? And you can find all of this information if you Google it. What % of the population typically responds to the U.S. Census? How are the answers to the survey collected? So how does the U.S. Census get answers to the questions that they are asking? Number 4, is the census effective? And then if you choose an answer, then you have to say why or why not. Okay. Number 5, how would you improve the census? And so those are your 5 curiosity questions. So as we move through more of our statistics, we will often have some curiosity questions, and we will explore something that has been introduced in your chapter. All right, make sure that you upload these notes into Canvas, and then you will work on the vocabulary grid in class tomorrow. That's it for today. Probably the fastest video ever. See you soon.